Welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on look number 2 using the Smoke&Mirrors Soft Glam palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I found it at Five Below, and yes, it was $5. And I am still pleasantly surprised and impressed with this palette, so we're going to continue to work with it. There are other palettes out there like this one, so I feel like why not? You can recreate this using the Hard Candy Blissful Nudes, the Huda Beauty Nudes palette, and as always we're priming our lids, and we're going to use the Color Tattoo from Maybelline and VIP as our secondary base. So once we have that, the first eyeshadow from this palette we're going to use is Bay. And I'm using that as a transition in the crease. And as always, I'm just messily applying that, throwing it in the crease on a fluffy blending brush and slightly blending as we go. And I'm going to build that up and just keep working it in the crease. It's very beautiful. Clean up my little inner corner there and keep on trucking. So next up, I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm going to pick up shade Bubbly, which is like one of my favorite shades in this palette. Beautiful, beautiful, shimmery, burgundy, pink kind of color. I don't even know how to describe it. It's so pretty. And yes, I am a bit nasally because I've been sick, but I really wanted to get these videos out and voiced over for you guys. And we're applying that in our outer corner and about halfway onto our lid, and we are going to slightly bring it into the crease as well. And I'm kind of just doing a combination of patting that shade and pressing it into the outer corner so we can get max pigment payoff. And also, once again, we are breaking the makeup rules. I know, putting a shimmery shade in our outer corner, we don't always have to follow the rules. Typically people put mattes there. So I'm going to blend that in with a grease, and then I'm going to take the shade Drama in the palette, which is a sticky kind of concealer base. So we're using that as another secondary base on the lid for the shade called Happening, and it's a light shimmery ice pink. And I'm taking a flat shader brush, a stiff one at that, and I am just kind of dragging and pressing that into the lid and bringing it slightly up into the crease for blending. And this look is so easy to achieve, and like I stated in the beginning, there's so many other palettes out there that you could use to create this eye look, so you don't have to, you know, own this one. But I do think it was a great find at Five Below, and I can't wait to try out more Smoke&Mirrors items. And the next shade is called Sweethearts, and I'm using that as a brow bone highlight, and I'm taking that on a super fluffy, extra large kind of shadow brush, and I'm applying that under the brow and blending it down into the transition shade. And then I'm going to go back over with the transition brush over top of Sweetheart, blending Bay and Sweetheart together. We're going to bring Bay down on our lower lash line and just really work that into the lash line. Blow that out, smoke it out. So pretty. And I am taking, say I was showing you Bay, now I'm taking Angelic in the inner corner, and today I decided to use a Q-tip, and just mainly for packing purposes. I mean, it will stick, it's a nice shimmery kind of icy shade, and just applying it with the Q-tip makes it more potent. And that's Jordana 12-hour pencil. This is the Bubbly Beauty long lasting eyeliner in Mauve Queen, and the Benefit Bagel mascara, and I poked myself in the eye, of course. And for lips, we're using the Amuse Nude Creamy Lipstick in Blushed. It's so pretty. And we are going to use our Fancy Fun fan and our Bubbly Beauty setting spray to set our makeup and make sure it lasts all day long. You love the top I'm wearing? I sure do. I found it at Goodwill for like $3. yeah, it's absolutely stunning. It goes perfect with this look. I just love it. The earrings are from shopmissay.com as well. So that's the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll try the look out for yourself. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. And stay tuned for more videos using the Smoke&Mirrors Soft Glam palette. And I thank you guys so much for always watching and liking and commenting. It means so much to me.